This is for all the businesses who aren't eligible for our Bank Breezy bigger funding, meaning they're not doing $15,000 per month, or they're using a personal checking account to run their business out of. Both of those would have to be done at Giggle. So we say get up to 10K in under 10 minutes with our instant funding, and they really can get it that quick. The funding is between $400 and $10,000 on initial funding. The renewals can be as high as $20,000. The approximate approval amount is only about 25% of 30% of their monthly sales. In other words, let's say they're doing $5,000 in monthly sales. Their offer would be about $1,250 to $1,500. If they're doing $10,000 a monthly sales, they would get between $2,500 and $3,000. Now, on our regular funding, our bigger funding, keep in mind our core rate, they can get 1 to 2 times their monthly revenue. And our flex rate, $15,000 and up funding, they can get a half to 1 to 2 times their monthly revenue. So this 25 to 30% is far lower, but of course, these are super high risk, small revenue DoorDash driver, Uber drivers, or startup businesses who aren't yet at $15,000 a month.
I simply answered a few questions, uploaded my bank statements, connected my account, and I was approved in less than 48 hours. The Simply application is easy to complete. What are you waiting for?
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more.
And I'm sure you've heard me say before, if I can't get you funding, I don't know what to tell you.
I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.